turn your struggles into your strengths. Hello, all you beautiful souls out there in my social media family. How are you doing today? My name's Chris, and I'm here to help you find your happiness. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about turning your struggles into your strengths. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, I'm gonna give you a real life example with things that have gone on in my life, some struggles that I've been through, and how I've turned those into my strengths. So, in the recent past, there's a lot of things that went on in my life. I had my business partner embezzle money and tank our business that I had raised $1.5 million to build out a 14,000 square foot location, and he did that 6 months before our grand opening. That led to some problems with family, lost the house, ended up getting divorced, and after that there was a whole series of events that happened, one bad relationship into another bad relationship, and that caused me a lot of mental anguish and put me in a very, very, very dark place. Now, how did I turn that around? Well, this YouTube channel right here is the perfect example of how I did that. So what I did is I took some time to heal from all those things, and I put a lot of effort into healing, and I'm gonna make a video on that coming up shortly on how I use the law of attraction to do all my healing to get to a point of ultimate self-respect, self-love, and self-acceptance. And through that healing, I've been able to start this YouTube channel to help other people do the same thing. So that is how I've been able to turn my struggles into a strength. I've reached such an amazing place of healing and such an amazing place in my life where I'm so grateful for everything that I have. And I don't have much, okay? I'm here in San Francisco. I'm gonna do a little pan around. Okay, this is a park right next to my house. And I have a little studio right about half a block away. But the one thing that I've been able to do is really understand that what life is about. And life is about finding that inner happiness and that inner peace within ourselves so that it can start reflecting in our outer world. And through that, I've been able to really help a lot of people. Like, there's a lot of people, I have some clients that I've been able to help out. There's one particular client that stands out more than some of the others. They're all great, but this particular client had was clinically diagnosed with depression, also was suicidal, and had taken multiple attempts on her life. And after 6 weeks of working with her, I was able to completely turn around her mindset, where she then started to feel that self-love, feel that self-acceptance, that self-respect, to a point now where she actually gets it. She doesn't feel that way anymore. And that was such an amazing thing to be able to do. It helps somebody get out of that place of complete darkness to now a place where they see the light, where they see that they can be successful in healing, where they can feel that self-love, that self-acceptance, that self-respect, and know that they're worthy of having a very happy and peaceful life. And so through that, there's no way that I would have been able to help her to the extent that I did had I not been through all of the struggles that I've been through and figured out how to get out of it. So through that, that's how I've been able to turn my struggles into strengths. And hopefully through understanding the scenario, that you can do the same thing with yours. And whatever it may be, whether they be struggles at school, and then you figured out how to start to get better grades, then that gives you the ability to help other kids or other adults that are in college or whatnot, that are struggling with their grades, and help them, by showing them what you did and how you were able to, overcome those struggles. That's a great place of strength to be coming from, to be able to help others. And that's one of the things that really also helps me heal even more, is helping others heal the same way that I've healed. So again, turn your struggles into strengths, and that's how you'll find a lot of inner peace and inner happiness, and understand what your life is all about. All right, everybody, I hope that you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, and please go ahead and click the subscribe button if you haven't already. It would really mean a lot to me. Aside from that, please share with me in the comments some struggles that you've been able to overcome and turn into strengths. I would really love to hear some of your stories and what you've been through and how you were able to turn that around. Aside from that, please share this video with somebody who you think might benefit from it, because we never know when the right words from the right person will hit somebody at the right time and help them find their happiness. Until next time, I'm sending you all much love. Namaste.